Hello, in this video we are going to cover operators and more specifically the arithmetic operators. So the arithmetic operators are stuff like addition, subtraction, division, that sort of stuff. And there's a couple of other ones that you may or may not have heard of depending on how much maths you know and how much you've been doing coding for. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be just doing everything within print. It's going to be putting it essentially in line and put it here. You can obviously assign it to a variable and use it later on as we show you how to actually manipulate data and use it within functions and do that sort of stuff. But for now, just for the sake of this tutorial, we'll do it in here. So for example, we could do, let's say, 5 plus 6, and also obviously these numbers can be replaced with variables that contain numbers as well. Okay, so I'm going to do another print one. I'm going to do 5 minus 6. And I think you can see where I'm going with this. So let's copy and paste this. And I'm going to change this to a multiply, to a divide. And now let's run this and see what we get. I think you can guess what we're going to get. We're going to get 11 minus 1, 30. And that'll be an interesting one. And we get 0.833, well, recurring. And yeah, so that's it for like really basic operators. Let's cover the modulus operator. So this just basically returns the remainder. So if I do print, let's do 5 remainder 6, and I'll do another one as well. The modulus operator is the percent, not divide, and I'll also have 9 divided by 4. So if I run this, only interested in the last 2 output lines. That's all we've added. Okay, so we have 5 and 1. So what the remainder does is it sees how many times the number on the right can go into the number on the left, and whatever's left over, that's what it pumps out. 6 can't go into 5 at all, so it just returns 5. So the whole number is remaining. Whereas 9 divided by 4, 4 goes into 9 2 times, which results in 8. And 9 minus 8 is 1, and that is the remainder. So there's also the exponent operator. So I will separate this out a bit. So print, and what we're going to do is exponent operator. So let's say if we do 5 squared, that will result in 25, and you just put in 5 asterisk asterisk 2. So 5, this is the equivalent of doing 5 squared. So if we run this again, and there you go, 25. So there's one final operator I'm going to show you, and this is called floor division. This is pretty interesting. So you do 2 forward slashes instead of 1. So if I do 17 divided over like floor division 3, let's see what result we'll get. This will be pretty interesting. So we get a result of 5. Let's have a look. So if we do 5 times by 3, we get 15. So the actual result is 15 point something. Let's have a look. It'll be 15.6 recurring. So it essentially gets rid of data, and depending whether it's a positive or a negative value, it will either go towards one way, like negative infinity, or the other. So like experiment with it, check it out. Try different ones, try minus numbers, and obviously we can change these to minus numbers as well. That could be a -5. That is perfectly fine. That's still fine within the realm of mathematics. So that's it for arithmetic operators. I'm going to have more videos covering the various other operators in Python and how to use them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos.